They are now found in virtually every corner of the globe, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountain peaks, and critically, in the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. The presence of microplastics and nanoplastics in our environment has become one of the most pressing environmental and health concerns of present time. We may seem alarmistic, but sooner we understand the situation, sooner we can act upon what we are aware of. Have you ever paid your attention to what is going on? What are you doing about it? What did you change in your everyday life? Share your view with others in the comments section below. If the importance of this situation resonates with you, like this video. If you ask yourselves where we, as society, are heading to, share this video with others who might need to ponder over it, too. The alarming reality is that these tiny invaders are no longer just an environmental problem, which is, still, very important. They are infiltrating the bodies of humans and animals, raising profound questions about their long-term health consequences. Once inside the body, the fate of microplastics depends on their size, shape, chemical composition, and the presence of any adsorbed contaminants. Research on animals has been crucial in understanding the potential harms of microplastics, as many effects observed in wildlife serve as a warning for human health. Please feel free to check our video on how these dangers impact humans too. Look for its link at the end of this video or in this video description. Animal studies have shown a range of adverse impacts. Effects on animals serves as the early warnings from the ecosystem. Gastrointestinal and digestive system impacts, feeding and growths, gut microbiota disruption, imbalance in gut, or even physical damage. Reduced feeding and growth. Microplastics can physically obstruct or irritate the digestive tracts of animals, leading to a decline in feeding behavior, reduced nutrient absorption, and slower growth rates. This has been observed in various aquatic invertebrates and fish. Gut microbiota disruption. Microplastics can alter the composition of the gut microbiome, which is vital for digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. An imbalance in gut flora can lead to digestive dysfunction and wider health issues. Physical damage. Sharp fragments can cause physical damage, inflammation, or lesions in the intestines. A newly recognized disease in seabirds, plasticosis, is characterized by severe scarring and inflammation of the digestive tract due to plastic ingestion, hindering digestion and nutrient uptake. Organ dysfunction and damage. Liver and kidney damage, gills, immune system modulation, brain and nervous system, heart and cardiovascular system. Liver and kidney. Studies in fish, mice, and rats have shown that microplastics can induce oxidative stress, inflammation, and cellular damage in the liver and kidneys, potentially leading to metabolic disorders and organ dysfunction. The liver, being a primary detoxification organ, is particularly vulnerable. Gills, in aquatic animals. For aquatic organisms, microplastics can accumulate in gill tissues, causing structural damage, inflammation, and impairing respiratory function, reducing oxygen uptake. Immune system modulation. Microplastics can trigger immune responses, leading to chronic inflammation, altered immune cell activity, and reduced immune function. This can make animals more susceptible to infections and diseases. Brain and nervous system. Alarmingly, microplastics, especially nanoplastics, have been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier in animal models, like fish and mice. Once in the brain, they can cause neurotoxicity, leading to oxidative stress, inflammation, and behavioral changes such as impaired learning, memory deficits, and altered motor activity. Heart and cardiovascular system. Some research on birds and fish indicates that microplastics can damage heart structure and contribute to cardiovascular problems. Reproductive and developmental toxicity. Reduced fertility. Studies on aquatic invertebrates, fish, and mice have linked microplastic exposure to reduced fertility, lower sperm quality, decreased egg production, and impaired development of germ cells. In female mice, it can affect follicle development and oocyte maturation. Developmental abnormalities. Exposure during critical developmental stages, for instance in embryos or larvae, can lead to slowed growth rates, developmental abnormalities, and can even be maternally transmitted to offspring. Hormonal disruption. Plastics contain chemical additives, like phthalate and bisphenols, that can leach out. These are known endocrine disrupting chemicals, EDCs, that can mimic or interfere with natural hormones, leading to reproductive dysfunction, altered development, and other hormone-sensitive issues. We can bet that we are not the only ones who, before using any plastic items or tools, check if plastic is BPA-free. However, it would be a great idea to check what this chemical had been replaced with, and understand its role in general health exposure. The unseen threat. Nanoplastics can cross the blood-brain barrier, a protective shield for the brain. What is a logic conclusion? Yes, we all need to feel a call for action. The evidence is mounting that microplastics and nanoplastics are not inert passengers in our bodies or in the environment. They are active agents, capable of causing physical harm, carrying toxic chemicals, triggering inflammation, and disrupting crucial biological processes in both humans and animals. The interconnectedness of ecosystems means that plastic pollution affecting wildlife ultimately impacts human health through contaminated food chains and a degraded environment. Addressing the microplastic crisis requires a global, multifaceted approach, emphasizing not just waste management, but also fundamental changes in plastic production, consumption, and disposal to safeguard the health of all living beings for generations to come. The silent invasion of microplastics is a powerful reminder that environmental health is inextricably linked to our own well-being. No organization can achieve any results without our individual effort in understanding of all possible consequences. We just need to be aware of dangers microplastic and nanoplastic exposure brings to us and our environment every day. We just need to act upon our knowledge and willingness to be well for ourselves and future generations of our children and grandchildren too. If after watching this video you started at least pondering and plan to bring some changes to everyday life, we are proud of you. Then, give us a thumb up, share this video with others to awaken their awareness. 2. Remember to subscribe to our channel to get notified when our new videos get published. Thank you for watching, and until the next time.